Okay, now we're going to talk about logarithmic functions. And so we're going to start by giving the definition of a logarithmic function. And in that definition is going to give us how to convert from logarithmic form to exponential form. So in the definition it says if x and b are positive real numbers such that b is not equal to 1, then y equals log base b of x is called the logarithmic function base b, okay, or with base b. Where y equals log base b of x is equivalent to b raised to the y power equals x. So we can use this fact to convert any logarithmic equation or function into an exponential function. So we can go from logarithmic form of an equation to the exponential form of the equation. So another thing to realize too is if you notice that a log is just an exponent. What you're asking yourself, the question you're asking yourself when solving this is, okay, what exponent do I need to raise b to in order to get x? So b raised to what power will give me x? And that's this. Okay? And so logs are, we're looking for, we're looking for exponents in a manner of speaking. Okay? Okay, so here's some notes to also keep in mind. So the y is called a log. So we call the y, that's what we're saying, we're finding the log base b of x, right? So y is a log. X is the argument, and b, of course, is what we call the base of the log. Okay? Now, given that y equals log base b of x, the value of y is the exponent, again, just like what I said, is the exponent that b must be raised to, raised by, well, how many? Okay, let me write this, say this again. So, y is the exponent that we have to raise b to in order to get x, or obtain x. Okay, the argument. Now, the other thing too is just keep in mind, it's kind of like from what I've already said, but when we look at log form versus the exponential form, both define the same relationship between x and y. Okay? Just a different form. All right, have a good day.